But first, a hands-on lesson in civics and government. Meet some local high school students who competed in the statewide We the People Invitational.
It only takes around 2% of the population to prevent an amendment from passing.
Why is the citizen and the Constitution something that people should understand?
There's so much apathy, so much like a lack of young voters because people feel like they don't matter, but when participating in We the People, we learn that we do matter and that we can advocate for ourselves.
I guess the reason why I joined the We People was because I felt that within our grade schools, the education that we were getting about our own government wasn't really satisfactory with what I believed in. And so I joined the We the People to get a further extensive knowledge on our government and as well as civics education.
We the People is a mock congressional hearing. So what the students are doing is preparing for a congressional hearing where they're the expert. So they prepare written testimony, and I really take them through a process of editing that and making sure it's fine-tuned. The other part is the cross-examination, where they have to prepare for the questions that are going to be asked to them in that kind of Q&A follow-up session.
We the People has been in Nevada since 1987. It is a wonderful program for providing communication skills, interview skills, research skills, writing, literacy, and the importance of our government. A lot of our university professors tell us that students who participate in We the People actually do better in college and life than students that do not participate in We the People.
We just competed in the state invitational for We the People, the Citizen, and the Constitution. We ended up placing 4th overall, and we were the top placed team from Las Vegas. Now that We the People is complete, we went through 2 competitions. Was it what you were expecting? What did you get out of it compared to what you were expecting?
We the People has allowed me to collaborate with my peers and gain more knowledge and allow me to be more knowledgeable.
It definitely gave me a more holistic experience on what we can do to fix our government, as well as what needs to be done in order for us to fix our current institutions today.
Everyone in this room is the next generation of leaders in this country, right? And that gives us adults a lot of hope.
The event is sponsored by the Nevada Center for Civic Engagement. 2023 was We the People's 35th year in Nevada.